In today's video, I'm going to show you how to engrave gold and black aluminum business cards using a fiber laser with incredible detail. I'm Ramón Arroyo Sublimonchis for my colleagues, and with nothing more to say, let's get to work. Alright colleagues, we are using EzCad today with these dragon designs. Once they are sized correctly, here you can see the dimensions are 7 cm by 5 cm approx. We select the first dragon and go to the hatch settings. Enable hatch 1 and set the count to 1. We will use a line space of 0.05 mm. Remember, the lower the spacing, the higher the resolution. This setup works perfectly for me. When I hit OK, it creates a fill effect, which is very different from a standard vector fill. If we zoom in, you can see the specific line paths we define. This is exactly what the laser will follow during the engraving process. We will apply the same settings to the second dragon, hatch 1, enable, same pattern. Now for the parameters, uncheck use default parameters so we can customize the settings. We will start with a speed of 800 mm per second and a power of 40%. Be careful with your power settings. With a 20 frequency, we are getting optimized results. Use red for the frame preview and mark to start engraving. I always check mark select so the laser only processes the specific item I have highlighted, preventing the preview from scaling to the entire workspace. Let's power up the machine. This laser features an automatic axis, so it adjusts focus electronically rather than using a manual hand wheel. Once those two red dots merge, we have the perfect focal length for maximum power. Check the red light framing the area, it's perfectly centered. Let's send the first dragon to engrave. Look at that definition. Even if the card warps slightly from the heat, the advantage of these galvo lenses is their depth of field, which is much more forgiving than standard diode lasers. It doesn't get hot, so you can handle it immediately. Both the gold and black finishes look incredibly elegant. Now, let's flip it over and engrave the back. Back to the machine for the final touch. Look how fast that is. That bright light is a sign of a perfectly calibrated laser. Alright, creative partners. Here are the 10 exclusive gifts from Creative Fabrica, so you can download all these stickers or search for anything else you like. We are talking 10 full packs completely free to help you start boosting your income today. Head over to Creative Fabrica. I will leave the link in the comments so you can grab yours. Just scroll down to find the 10 free products with a risk-free trial section. Go ahead and start your free trial. You will need to create an account, but your discount for those 10 vector packs is already applied. It'll show up as $0. And here's the best part. After your trial, the price drops from the usual $10 to just $3.99 a month when you sign up for the year. You will be fully covered with an annual plan. If you decide it's not for you, you can cancel before the first month ends with no strings attached and no extra charges. But if you buy it, you will have year-round access to thousands of vectors to grow your business and support your family. Let's get creating. Look at the crisp details even on the smallest parts of the dragon's scales. There you have it, two stunning results. I will leave the links for these aluminum blanks from AliExpress in the description. Remember, this is El Mundo del Láser with Sublimonchis. Happy engraving!